This is a birthday collaboration for, I don't know how to pronounce that, and I didn't want to butcher her name, so that's her name. I believe this was put together by Sassy Fantasy and Boo Boo's Glitter Glory. I will have a link down in the description box for the other ladies that did videos, so go please check out their videos. Have a happy birthday, birthday girl. I hope this cheers up your day. There was a long list of things that she likes, and there was skulls and ravens and a bunch of other stuff, but I'm doing skulls and ravens in basic black and white, and I'm gonna put this grip gel on and use these decals, and it's gonna be pretty simple. So let's get started. Okay, they are finished. And I'll be right back with my hand with no name. Yeah, I still haven't thought up a name for this hand. But anyway, this is the finished set. I love them. I think they came out really nice. I love black and white. And this is the thumb with the bow and the spider. I hope you like this set. Happy birthday. I hope us ladies made your day a little more special and a little more happy. I would like to thank everybody for watching. If you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. And please like the video. Leave a comment if you would like. And don't forget to hit the bell so you know when I upload new videos. If you haven't entered my giveaway, make sure you do that. It's the video that says giveaway. I don't have outros, so you'll have to go look for it. It shouldn't be too far back, if not pretty close. And make sure you follow the rules. You have to follow the rules, otherwise you can't enter. And I don't want to take anybody out, you know, for not following the rules. So make sure you check out my description box. I'll have it all in the description box. Okay? Okay. Have a great day, everybody, and I will see you all in my next video.